This video is sponsored by PRISMXR. What is up everyone, this is Jojo the Techie, and today we're taking a look at a versatile pair of wireless earbuds that you can use for gaming, video conferencing, talking on the phone, or listening to music, among other things. The PRISMXR Vega T1 Earbuds. The Vega T1 earbuds are low latency wireless earbuds that have been specially made for VR gaming and are plug-and-play compatible with a number of VR headsets, consoles, phones, laptops, or PCs, and Macs. Out of the box, the T1s come with two extra sets of different size ear tips, a USB-C dongle that we'll get into later, a charging case that houses the earbuds and the dongle, and a USB-C to USB-C cable with a USB-A adapter. Now, remember that dongle I mentioned before? Well, that's the key here to making these earbuds go the extra mile. Because it is USB Type-C, it can be connected to a number of different devices without the need for drivers or complicated setups. The dongle also uses PRISMXR's zero drag technology, which makes it possible to bring latency down to a super low 25 milliseconds. Did you happen to notice the USB-C port on the other side of the dongle? Yes, that's a pass-through port that you can use for 27-watt charging while you are using it, without it unnecessarily occupying yet another USB-C port on the device that it is connected to. But that's not all you can do. If you are not much of a gamer, like myself, or simply want your tech to work in a variety of scenarios, you'll be happy to know that you can use the Vega T1s for day-to-day tasks such as video conferencing or listening to music from any device. Because you can pair it with both the USB-C dongle or via Bluetooth, you can use the T1s with two devices at a time, seamlessly switching back and forth. My favorite use case is to listen to focused music from my Mac while I'm working and then seamlessly switching to watch YouTube videos on my Android when I take breaks. All of this without having to disconnect one device or the other. Want a more customized listening experience? You can download the PRISMXR app on your mobile device where you can install the latest firmware and adjust features like the EQ and Vega Blast mode, which delivers boosted high-fidelity sound for a more immersive experience. From the app, you can also customize what the T1's touch controls do, such as single tapping, double tapping, or holding for 2 seconds for either the left or right buds, and the chat mix feature that allows you to take phone calls over Bluetooth while actively listening to audio on another device using the dongle, such as watching a YouTube video or playing a video game. All of those great features on a premium set of earbuds that cost less than $70. It's an amazing deal that should not be missed, so you should definitely check out the product links in the video description below to check it out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop my next video. And see you in the next one.